In all other religions, there is a common place for women to pray, like churches, temples. Why not separate mosques for women, Muslim women? They are praying in the rooms, their homes itself. Because if they are exposed to their own fellow women, they will get some knowledge and awareness in health aspects, child bringing and their education, etc. Why not you provide that?
Thank you, sister. Thank you very much for that question. Sister has asked the question that why doesn't Islam allow women to pray like the men in the mosque, so that if they come out in the mosque and they meet other women, they may get awareness. Sister, you remember in my talk I said after Quran, the most important book for us Muslims is the teachings of Prophet Muhammad SAW recorded in Sahih Bukhari. Sahih Bukhari, volume number 1. You can even note down the reference. Sahih Bukhari, volume number 1. You know what is he saying? He says, if your women ask you permission to go to the mosque, do not stop them. In another hadith he says, if your women ask permission for the night prayers to go to the mosque, do not stop them. Sahih Bukhari, volume number 1, hadith number 101, sister. Again, you can take down this reference. Sahih Bukhari, volume 1, hadith number 101. A female companion came to Prophet Muhammad and she said, O Prophet, most of the time the men are surrounding you and we want to learn knowledge from you. We want you to spare time for us. He said, every Thursday, exclusive women's session. Only religion where the religious head gave a statement which is not there in any other religion of the world, because I'm a student of comparative religion. Prophet Muhammad said, it is an obligation upon every Muslim, meaning when I say mankind, a woman doesn't say mankind means only men. Mankind means men and women. Every Muslim means every Muslim man and woman. The Prophet said, it is obligatory upon every Muslim man and every Muslim woman to acquire education. You believe me, it's there. Acha, you go to any Middle East country, Saudi Arabia, Dubai, Qatar, Kuwait, Bahrain, Oman. Do you know something, sister? Every masjid has a separate, complete, equally with full amenities, a particular section for the women. Every masjid. Women in Arab countries very openly pray. In Europe and America, all of them they go. You know, I was in Dallas, Texas. In Texas, I was giving a talk. And there was a big dome of the masjid. And when I was just starting the talk, a person came to me. He said, Imran bhai, there are women sitting behind, so please address them also. So, the way he said, I felt a little threatened initially. After the talk, I met him. I said, what happened? Why were you so threatened? He said, no, you don't know, 3 months back, a sheikh came. He didn't know women were sitting there. So in the address, he didn't address them. A woman called 911, discrimination. Police came to arrest him. You got my point, sister? So meaning to say, women go to the mosques. It's an unfortunate situation in India. That the problem is with Indian Muslims, not with Islam. Islam has already allowed that, sister. I hope I answered that question.